You tell yourself you'll catch up on sleep later, just one more short night. But while you sleep just 5 or 6 hours, something is quietly happening inside. Because sleep isn't rest, it's repair, the only time your body truly resets. So let's see what happens inside you, hour by hour when sleep runs short. It starts with your brain. During deep sleep, it actually cleans itself. But cut sleep short, and that cleaning stops early. The waste starts piling up. The next morning you feel it, foggy, slow, forgetting why you walked into a room. After just one short night, your memory can drop sharply, not over years, overnight. Your reaction time slows too, in ways surprisingly similar to alcohol. While your brain struggles, your hormones quietly tip out of balance. The signal that says you're full drops, the one that says you're hungry spikes. So the next day you crave sugar and fast carbs. It's not willpower, it's chemistry. People who sleep less tend to eat hundreds of extra calories without noticing. Your stress hormone, cortisol, climbs, and over time stores more belly fat. Even a few short nights can raise blood sugar and the long-term risk of diabetes. Now the part most people never connect to sleep, your heart. At night, your blood pressure should dip so your heart can rest. Short sleep stops that. Night after night, that extra strain quietly adds up over the years. Short sleep also weakens your immune system, leaving you more open to getting sick. Even your blood vessels don't fully repair, and quiet inflammation creeps in. Nearly every system depends on those hours. Skip them and everything works harder. They call it beauty sleep for a reason. Skip it and your skin shows it first. Duller skin, fine lines, dark circles. The face is where it shows to everyone. But the biggest change is emotional. The feeling part of your brain goes into overdrive. Small things feel huge. You're more irritable, more anxious, quicker to snap. So what helps? A few simple things, backed by research. First, keep a steady sleep time even on weekends. Your body loves rhythm. Second, dim the lights an hour before bed. Bright screens hold sleep back. Third, keep your room cool and dark. You'll sleep deeper through the night. And go easy on late coffee and heavy meals. They keep your body working. Sleep feels like the easiest thing to sacrifice. There's always one more reason to stay up. But those hours aren't lost. They're when your body quietly rebuilds itself. So tonight, give your body the hours it's waiting for. Subscribe to Body Signals.